Didn't subscribe yet? Do subscribe, and to never miss a video from my channel, click on the bell button.
Hi guys, this is Gunjan and thank you for watching my channel. Today I will be taking you to my world's paradise, that is my childhood place, Paradip. So to reach Paradeep, I am going from Bangalore, so I will be going in a flight to Bhubaneswar. If you stay at any corner of India, you need to first reach Bhubaneswar to reach Paradeep. So let's go to airport and catch my flight to reach Bhubaneswar. Now we are heading towards Paradeep. Talking about Paradeep, Paradeep is 125 kilometers by road from Bhubaneswar Airport and around 94 kilometers by road from Cuttack Railway Station. Paradeep is connected by rail, but most people prefer to travel via Bhubaneswar or Cuttack. Hired cars or taxis are easily available at both the places. Those who are not heading for a long stay can even come back to Bhubaneswar or Cuttack the same day. Alternatively, there are very good hotels in Paradeep for those who are planning for a longer stay. The importance of Paradeep and its beaches is manifold. Besides being an attractive tourist spot, the Paradeep beach in Odisha is also one of the most important commercial seaport of the country. So guys, I finally reached Paradeep. But yesterday, since it was too late, so I couldn't take you all to any of the places in Paradeep. So today I'll be starting and will be showing you each and every place which Paradeep has for its tourists, and I'll also let you know what are the importance of those places, and I'll show you each and everything all the way that we'll go to those places. So let's not get delay and let me get ready, and I'll take you all to a trip to all the places of Paradeep. First, we will be going to the Commencement Point. The road to this place is full of trees and greenery. This place is around 9 kilometers from Paradeep center. The speciality of Commencement Point is that the Odisha's longest river Mahanadi meets with Bay of Bengal at this point. A clear bifurcation of color is seen at this place, as Mahanadi water is brown in color and Bay of Bengal is blue. We presently miss the scenic beauty because of high tide. You can spend a lot of time just sitting here and enjoying the nature beauty, or you can enjoy playing in the water of Mahanadi in the other side. Adjacent to the beautiful Commencement Point is a park where you can chill for some time or can also arrange for a picnic. This place is a super picnic spot during New Year time. Then we will drive on the Marine Drive to reach the Paradip sea beach. Bath at this beach, just taking care of not going too inside as current exists in the water. You should in no way miss to have the special masala mudhi at the beach. Just opposite to sea beach is the marine aquarium. Here we get to see a lot of saltwater and freshwater fish. Some among these ornamental fishes are piranha, starfish, arowana, tortoise, lobsters, angelfish, koi, etc. After this, we will head to some of the beautiful parks of Paradip. This is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Park. This park has a conceptual open gym. You can spend some time for some healthy activities or can spend some time walking on the long walking tracks of this park. Then we will head to Smruti Udyan. This park was built in the memory of thousands of people who lost their lives in Super Cyclone 1999, which had caused catastrophe to Paradip. Here you can enjoy taking some good photos and spending a quiet evening. Then we head to Sudarshan Park, where we get to see a surveillance boat which has completed its tenure and is now open for public to pay a visit. Paradeep also has a lot of good temples, one among which is the Jagannath temple. Now we will go to the most important part of Paradeep, that is its port. In 1966, it was announced as the 8th major port of India and the first major deep sea port of Eastern India. So these were the major places of Paradeep. Though it has lot other places which I could not cover in this single video, hope you liked all the places and will like to pay a visit to this beautiful place of Odisha. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Until we meet next time, bye bye.